Strong hook. Imagine waking up in 2026, your morning routine already optimized, your inbox pre-sorted, and your most critical tasks for the day highlighted with perfect precision. This isn't science fiction anymore, but how do you get there before everyone else? Setup. What if I told you that the tools you're using today, even advanced ones like ChatGPT, are just the tip of the iceberg? We're on the cusp of a productivity revolution driven by intelligent systems that don't just assist, but anticipate. In this video, we're not just looking at upgrades, we're exploring entirely new categories of AI software that will become indispensable. You'll discover the next generation of digital assistants, predictive project managers, and even creative automation tools that will fundamentally change your workflow. And at the 4-minute mark, I'll show you something that completely changed how I think about optimizing my entire schedule. Main point 1. Let's start with the evolution of the digital assistant. Forget simple command and response. By 2026, your primary digital assistant won't just answer questions. It'll be a proactive, context-aware co-pilot. Imagine a tool that's learned your communication style, your preferences, and even your emotional state through your interactions. I recently saw a demo of an early prototype from a stealth startup. Let's call it Echo. Echo didn't just schedule a meeting, it drafted the agenda, pre-filled the relevant data points from previous projects, and even suggested who should attend based on their expertise, all before I even finished my morning coffee. It analyzed my calendar, my project management dashboard, and my emails to understand the unspoken needs. This isn't just about saving minutes, it's about reclaiming hours of deep work. Think about the mental load it offloads. What if your assistant could draft a client proposal, not just with the information you provided, but by pulling insights from your entire company's knowledge base and predicting client pain points? Main point. Building on that, the next big leap is in what I call predictive productivity platforms. We're moving beyond just tracking tasks to anticipating bottlenecks before they even appear. Imagine a project management system that, using historical data from your team's past projects, can flag a potential delay on a critical deliverable days in advance. It wouldn't just say, task X is due tomorrow. It would say, based on current progress, task X has a 70% chance of being delayed by 3 days, impacting the next 2 stages. Here are 3 mitigation strategies and their projected outcomes. Remember what I said at the start? Here's why it matters. This level of foresight fundamentally changes how organizations allocate resources and manage risk. A startup I advise saw a 25% reduction in project overruns by implementing an early-stage predictive tool. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about strategic advantage. It allows teams to pivot faster, avoid costly mistakes, and ultimately deliver higher quality work with less stress. Are you currently flying blind on your projects, or do you have a crystal ball? Main point 3. Now, for the aha moment that really blew me away, the rise of generative workflow automation. We're not just automating repetitive tasks anymore. We're automating the creation of entire workflows. Think about it. Instead of manually setting up a series of triggers and actions for a new client onboarding, you'll simply describe the desired outcome. Onboard new client for X service. And the system will generate the entire workflow. Send welcome emails, create project folders, set up CRM entries, assign initial tasks, and even draft personalized follow-up sequences. It learns from every successful and unsuccessful onboarding process across your organization, constantly refining its generated workflows. This isn't just a fancy Zapier, it's a dynamic, self-optimizing system. One beta tester told me their average time to onboard a new client dropped from 2 days to less than an hour, freeing up their sales and operations teams for high-value strategic work. Imagine applying this to content creation, marketing campaigns, or even product development. The intelligence isn't just executing, it's designing the most efficient path forward. It's about moving from do this to achieve this outcome and figure out the best way to do it. Main point 4. So, what can you do right now to prepare for this future? First, start experimenting with the advanced capabilities of existing tools. Push ChatGPT beyond simple prompts. Try building custom instructions or plugins that extend its functionality for your specific needs. Second, identify your biggest time sinks and repetitive tasks. Where are you spending hours that could be automated? Those are the prime candidates for early adoption of these emerging productivity AI tools. Third, focus on developing your AI literacy. Understand not just how to use these tools, but why they work and their limitations. This critical thinking will be your superpower in a world of advanced automation. And finally, cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. The intelligent systems landscape will evolve rapidly. Staying curious and adaptable will ensure you're always ahead of the curve, not just catching up. Don't wait for 2026 to hit you. Start shaping your future today. Conclusion plus CTA. The future of productivity isn't just coming. It's already being built, and by 2026, these intelligent systems will be non-negotiable for anyone looking to stay competitive. It's about working smarter, not harder, and reclaiming your most valuable asset, your time. Which of these future AI tools excites you the most? Or which problem do you desperately want intelligent systems to solve? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this glimpse into the future valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss our next deep dive into the intelligent tools shaping tomorrow.